Hi, sixth graders. Um, in here you're going to have a tutorial on how to complete your Christmas activity, your grammar Christmas activity. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is enter Grammar Classroom and go to your new activity. It's going to appear sort of like this one, but it's still a draft because I haven't uploaded this video yet. In here, you can see the instructions. There are 7 instructions so you can complete this activity successfully. The first one is watching this video, so you've already done that right. The second one is to click on this link, the attached link, which will open to a story named The Little Match Girl by Hans Christian Andersen. After you read this story, you need to identify every verb in the paragraphs number 1, 6, 8, and 13. And then you have to write those verbs on a table in Google Docs and identify the 3 principal parts of each verb. Once you're done, you upload it to Classroom and everything's ready. So, clicking on this link, this appears, The Little Match Girl by Hans Christian Andersen. Like the instructions say, you have to identify the verbs on paragraphs 1, 6, 8, and number 13, which is the last paragraph, in here. This is a bit sad, but nice story. So, once you identify the verbs, you have to go into Google Docs, search Google Docs, and you're going to open a blank document. And this is what it should look like. In here, we're going to change the title to Grammar Christmas Activity. And in here, we're going to write the date, your name, 6th grade A or B, and your list number. After that, you copy this title for your activity, and the next thing we have to do is create our table. In here, you have the menu bar, and you're going to click on Table, Insert Table, and we're going to have 3 columns, and depending on how many verbs, you're going to make your table longer. So we're going to label these columns as past, present, and past participle, because these are the principal parts of verbs. I'm going to make 2 examples so that you guys know what you have to do. So the first thing is going back to our story, to the first paragraph we have to analyze, and start reading this first sentence. We can see that the first verb we encounter is the verb was. Most terribly cold it was. Since it's in third person because of it, we have to come here. We know was is in past, so we copy was. Since it's in third person, in present, it is the verb is, it is. And past participle has been. Pretty simple. Now you just have to go back and look for your second verb, which would be snowed. It snowed. So snowed is in past. Present would be snows. It snows because it's in third person. And in the past participle has snowed because it's in third person. Okay? This is pretty simple. Once you are done with this and you go to your Google Docs, you should be able to find the Grammar Christmas activity done in here. So the only thing left to do is to go into Classroom. Since I'm not a student to any classroom, I cannot show you how to upload, but you have videos in your classrooms that teach you how to upload. And you just have to click into the activity, say that you're done, and add from your Google Drive the activity named Grammar Christmas Activity, just like this one. Okay? I hope this helps you out. Happy weekend. I'll see you guys on Tuesday. Bye.